Today we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle LS5 454. It's a true SS build sheet window sticker car. It is a 4-speed. It is a really nice, clean car. It's a really rare red on red outside and interior. We're going to take a look at it. It is just a pristine car. Came out of a pristine collection. All original. Just really nice and clean. All the doors are nice and clean on it. Take a look at the trunk. The door shuts easy. We'll take a look at the trunk. Original spare tire and jack. We'll hear her start up. Side here. It's got the tack, all the gauges and the clock. Door buzzer even works. Door shuts good. Take a look at the motor here, what everybody's been waiting for. Take a look at the motor, nice and clean. LS5 numbers matching car. Power steering, power disc brakes. Just really clean car. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more look at it. Like and subscribe on the page for more videos just like this one at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, or give us a call 859-621-5572. Thank you.